So I flat ironed my hair yesterday. So it's already straight, but then I worked out. So the roots are, as you can see, very curly. Nobody's seen that. So hi Liz. Can you stop watching me, please?
I want to.
I know you want to, but it's weird. It's already weird for me. It's weird with you watching.
We're not in the camera.
I know. Okay, go watch the cartoon now. Spray a little bit of this product on it. Candle oil. Bamboo Smooth. I got this for frizz control. I don't really have frizzy hair, but I just need to protect it with something before I start going through. So it also makes the hair very smooth so that my flat iron doesn't snag on my hair, and it offers loads of protection and shine. This flat iron is a Chi. Ooh. One wave down. This is how I do my hair when I'm lazy. I do the front first. Make sure the top is straight, and then that's actually the product, this smoking, not my hair. And then we just throw some in all over. Not gonna go too deep. Guys, I'm not doing so great with the IG videos or the stories. Oh my God, last night I had a wardrobe malfunction, and I mean, I wear swimsuits all the time. I wear t-shirts without bras, but I mean, sheesh. Traumatic. Anyway, you live and you learn. And then my IG videos, I guess I just need to do what I can do and stop comparing to other bloggers who have their shit together. There's so many bloggers, oh my God. So many people are experts. I'm not an expert, but I know a thing or two. Okay, so you get the gist, right? And any straight hair I see popping out, I just do this. Just catch it and twist it, curl it. All right. And one thing I love wearing these days is blush. Love it, love it, love it. So, okay, well, this video isn't bad. It's hair and skin and makeup in 10 minutes. I'm gonna look flushed and happy.